Hello friends, good morning. I am Poonam. I am academic head of the Impetus Consultants. I am a Microsoft certified technology professional. I have a 3+ years experience in IT industry as well as teaching. Today I am presenting you the lesson in which we are going to learn web services. Web service is an application that is directly interact with the other application over the internet. In simple sense we can say other software application sends the request to the web services via internet. Depends on the request, web services produces the response and give it to the other software application. Web services consist of methods which should decorate with web method attribute in .NET. That's why the extension of the web service is .ESMX, that is Active Server Method Extended. When we are talking about the web services, three things are important. First one, it provides object functionality over the HTTP. Second one, data is exchanged over the network in XML format. And third one, SOAP is used for the communication. Because of this, we can say web services are platform independent, protocol independent and language independent. Through the web service, we have overcome with the problem of interoperability between languages and the platforms. You can take some live examples like stock quotes, weather reporting, currency converter, etc. etc. There are some words which are frequently used with web services. So, I already told you SOAP is used for the communication. That means SOAP translate your method calls into XML format. SOAP follows the XML structure. SOAP consists of three parts: SOAP body, SOAP envelope and SOAP header. SOAP envelope is the root element and which states what is in SOAP message and how to process it. Second one, there is a SOAP header which is an optional element and which states application specific information. Third one, there is a SOAP body which is a mandatory element and which states what all information about your web services and response of the web services. Second word is the WSDL, that is Web Service Description Language, which contains all information regarding to your web services. For example, what are the methods are used in your web services, what are the parameters, what are the data types and many more. Next one, if you see this diagram, then you will be much cleaner with this concept. I already told you web service is always hosted on the web server and extension of the web service is .ESMX, that is Active Server Method Extended. Suppose I want to use this web service in my application may be developed in .NET or Java or in Android. So I have to first add the reference of this web service in my application. Then I have to create the object of that web service and using that object I can access all methods provided by the web services. Next one, when I send the request to the web services, SOAP calls the methods through the HTTP and stored it on the remote machine in XML format. So depends on the request, web services produces the response and give it to the other or client application. So this was the small intro about your web services. If you want to know more details, you can send your query to poonam@impetusconsultants.com or you can visit our website to www.impetusconsultants.com. Thank you.